Hi, my name is Minas Liristis. I'm actually from the Medicine Shoppe in Largo, Florida. Our goal was really to differentiate ourselves in so many ways to be able to adapt to constant changes that we have actually seen through the years. And one of our first adaptations to the pharmacy was really to get Kirby Lester, the KL60 as well as the KL20, to kind of reduce our med errors, but at the same time able to speed up our workflow, and at the same time able to allow for our technicians to offer more services that were never before available to our public, either that being more consultation time, either being time to go on the floor and actually talk to a lot of our patients about different elements that they had they want to treat it with over-the-counter medicines. But they adopted in the last few years is actually the SyncRx program, the vitamin programs that are available to us. Prescribed wellness actually is one of the biggest ones that we've done lately, which allows us to be able to monitor a lot of the things that we do in the pharmacy and how we do them. So we're able then to focus on people's ability to train, but also to be able to service our customers in a way that makes the customer feel happy coming into the pharmacy. Well, if you look at the chart, pretty much it makes perfect sense to what we're doing in the last few years. We have noticed that a lot of the things and a lot of the changes that took place through the pharmacy environment had allowed us to practically make and adopt to changes that were necessary for us to be able to be as successful as we are. Without them, I believe that would have been totally an impossibility to even stay in businesses today. Some of the bigger disruptors were really reimbursements, were practically matters that had to do with insurances, being in network or out of network. Our biggest also frustration was trying to get people to understand that we were able to provide them with services that will allow them to get their medicines in a much easier way. So we were able to put the word out and make people aware of the fact that we are able to not only provide them their medicines in a way that allows them to be compliant, but also we were able to have them come in and be able to understand that we were no more expensive than any other pharmacy in the area. I think automation through either a faster fill, or for that matter, an automation that will make your patient more compliant, will definitely free up time to be able to not only consult the patient, but also allow you to provide other services that will give you the benefit of more profitability. The reality is that if you take a few seconds to fill something, either we have the Kirby Lester 20 or the Kirby Lester 60, I think the ability to be able to do that allows us to be able then to focus on things that are more profitable. Unfortunately, as we go through the times, we're going to see those reimbursements really become thinner and thinner. But the ability to be able to move faster gives us the ability then to focus on other aspects of the pharmacy business that will then lead to a much better profit. At the end of the day, it is becoming quite the competition out there, to the point where if you do not adapt to be able to be faster in what you're doing, or faster in at least filling in what you're actually filling, I believe the volume will never really go down. As the United States population is aging, that volume will never go down. The reimbursement may go down, but the reality is our volume will still keep going up. So if you do not adapt to some sort of technology, and obviously we are definitely fans of the KL60, not only because of the fact that it's a small footprint, I would say. It's really something that works very seamlessly with our systems. I would tell you that it's something that possibly you'll regret as time goes on, because what you can do today, unfortunately, you cannot focus on tomorrow. And the reality is that I would definitely recommend, by all means, getting the automation that's obviously proper for your store, but at the same time making sure that it will help you in your workflow.